Hola Buenas. Today is the 12th of October 2023. Now of course you guys will be watching this in the future, but today is a big day, and the reason why is because today is Hispanic Day. So currently we are in the center and we are going to search for the march. It should be starting in Atocha. Unfortunately, the station for Atocha was closed. So what I've had to do is come to the closest station I could and walk my way up. That station in question is Palos de la Frontera, which is on line 3. So I've just gone from Moncloa all the way here. Super easy. And from my understanding, all I need to do is walk all the way along this road and then turn left, and that will take me to Atocha. Today is actually a Thursday, but it's a bank holiday here in Spain. So I wanted to make the most of today. I'm actually wearing a t-shirt and shorts, which may actually be the last time I'm able to do that. And the reason is, it's meant to be 28 Celsius. And then from today onwards, it's supposed to be raining and terrible weather. Now, the unfortunate thing is the weather here in Madrid does tend to drop when we get closer to winter, but by a significant amount, unlike on the coast. So if you go to anywhere like Valencia, Barcelona, Malaga, the temperatures go down, of course, but nowhere near as much. And actually, that's one reason why I miss Malaga so much. I really thought it would be incredibly busy here, but it's not. It's not that many people. I'm actually shocked at how quiet they are as they go by. It's amazing.
Let's go. Lorito. Yeah. Ey, ey, ey. Oye, baby, no te pone muy cerca. Baby, yo sé que te falta ser mi amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero baby, no te pone así. Te llamé, pero no había señal casual, mi amor. Y te hace falta amor. Y lo estás perdiendo. Oye mami, baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Baby, no hay más desamor, desamor. Eso no vale nada, nada, nada. Yeah, y yo no vuelvo más, baby. You like it? I love it. Empezamos las vibras, con altura nos quedamos arriba. En el aire tiene que ser libra, fuerte, me llaman sativa, suave. Mantecadito, manteca, manteca, mantecadito. Mantecadito, manteca, manteca, bien sabrosito ya. Oye, mantecadito, manteca, manteca, mantecadito. Mantecadito, siempre bonito, bien sabrosito, ya. Oye, te la merezco como un mantecado, baby. Hay tantos sabores, es demasiado crazy. Chocolate, lechosa, rosado. Me encanta cuando todo está mezclado. Mi negritas, bonitas en la noche, tan duras, you know just how to work it. Siempre las miren, pero nunca las toques. Si tienen marido, lo siento, block. Borinqueña bonita, salió de la huiza, culazo, se mueve, tembleque, tembleque, pa.
It's very difficult to record with this many people around and being able to see the march as well, because of course there's just like rows and rows of people. But it's fine, you know, we'll do the best we can. The thing is, I was incredibly lucky because where I got off the metro, I could see all of the vehicles. So at least I managed to experience it without all the crowds around, you know?
Celebrando en tu cuarto, sabe agridulce como el impacto. Baby, it's a party. Put your drinks up. 2 shots to the heart now. Up, so we'll do it your way. Though I go por ti because I'm faded. Lo hago por ti. La culpa en tus labios fue lo que sentí. Lo hago por ti. Las vibras no se acaba aquí, mi amor.
So while editing this video, I actually wanted to address the reasoning for so much hate towards Pedro Sanchez, who is the president of Spain at this moment. There are multiple different reasons, and I don't really want to go into the politics of it. This could be an entire video to itself. But what I do want to comment on is a few things that have been mentioned. So just to list a few, the first is broken promises. Some things that he's said in the past, he promised to do or promised not to do, and he went forward with them anyway. There has been some concerns with corruption as well, some economic issues, some very controversial laws, for example, the yes is yes law, also the changes in stance of his political opinion, concerns regarding democracy, and even going as far as international relations in regards to the amnesty law. As I say, this is super brief. I don't want to go into too much detail about it, but I knew that it was something important to mention here because you can hear the detest from a lot of Spanish people when the car was going past of Pedro Sanchez.
Baby, it's a party. Put your drinks up.
Muchísimas gracias. ¿Cuánta gente, madre mía? El siguiente tema que vamos a hacer a continuación se llama Viento y está en todas las plataformas.
Esa noche de tu amiga que ibas a estudiar, lo hicieron, te fuiste a la fija, pues nada que hablar. Cupido, gracias por la vida que me quería estar, pero mejor yo la rechazo que me va a matar. El último rey Cupido, juro que soy el que río, trata a los otros como quiera.
I am absolutely kicking myself right now because I went and got myself a McDonald's on the way back. Here's my McFlurry. And I could have come here and got all this kind of beautiful Latin American food, Brazilian food, Cuban, Argentinian, Venezuelan, Colombian, and I've gone for a McDonald's. Disappointed in myself. If I had known, because I was literally just going to jump on the metro and go home. The smell of the different foods here is absolutely beautiful. Oh, and the music's great as well. It's fantastic. I love this environment. It's just really interesting. You know, I come out to the center. I've tried to end this video on multiple occasions now, and every time I get close to ending this video, there's something interesting to see. So I think I can finally sign off for today. Thank you so much for watching this week's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.